Hello, my name is Don Myers, and this is an introductory video on our patented polymer bonding process and our patented and patent pending tech patches. Most of you will doubt what you see. It is unbelievable. But I can assure you, after 6.5 years and countless feedback from clients, the process will work as well as promised, and the tech patches will go on as quickly and as easily and as effectively as you will see in the video. Please check our Google reviews. And if you have any further questions, check with the store manager. Thank you and enjoy. PTFE patch to a plastic or metal gas tank or to a large volume poly tank. You will get your tech patch kit, which includes your PTFE tech patch and step-by-step instructions. You can order the PTFE tech patch to size. You will need a poly kit, which has 3 items. 1 are poly prep, which is the adhesion promoter, the etch for polymers. 2 are catalysts, the activator accelerator. The 3rd item is our SI adhesive, SI black. SI black is clear and dries clear. Black simply refers to the viscosity. It's thicker, giving you more control when you need it. You will need a plastic putty knife or any flat bladed tool. You will need a heat source. You'll need an abrasion tool. We're going to apply this PTFE tech patch to this hole. PTFE patches are a polymer on one side, fluorosilicone. On the other side, they're PTFE. PTFE is a chemical symbol for Teflon. Teflon is impervious or highly resistant to all fuels, regardless of the octane or cetane levels. And it's the PTFE again that gets applied to the tank. The first step, we need to abrade the tank. As I describe it, you need to abrade the tank to below the sheen. You can do that with sandpaper or a rotary sander. Once we abrade that surface, we need to clean the surface. Get rid of the residue. So spray that with any cleaner that will not leave a residue. Take the adhesion promoter, the etch, and saturate the area where we are to apply the patch. Then you let it dry. The next step is to spray that same area with the accelerator. Again, the accelerator is our catalyst. Then we're going to bring up our PTFE patch. It's been prepared. All we need to do now is use our heat source, whether it's a heat gun or a hair dryer, and warm both the tank and the PTFE, the patch up. You want to get the heat to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit by temperature, by touch just below hot. Now you want to apply adhesive to the patch. Now I'm leaving this little patch a little larger. You can cut it down to size. You apply the adhesive in concentric circles over the entire area of the patch. You grab the diagonal corners, apply tension, and press on. Press it down. Grab the heat source. Now, what you want to feel is additional heat. The chemical reaction generates what's called an exothermic reaction. If it's not getting hotter, take the heat gun or hair dryer and warm it. Then you take your adhesive and go around the perimeter. Apply a coating all the way around the perimeter. Hit that with the accelerator. Now, if you have a strap holding up the tank, or abrasion is likely, or you just want more protection, apply coats of adhesive to the top of the patch. That is what we call plussing. So apply the adhesive. Apply pressure. That's one coat. Do 3 coats. Now hit it with the accelerator. You can also now paint over this. You're good to go. Here's what you get when you plus the patch. It hardens, providing that additional protection that you need.